Usually dandruff is being caused by something we are putting on ourselves, not by the lack of something. So you might be using something that is triggering your scalp. Dandruff too, it's really important to kind of remember what's going on there. It's your skin's flaking off. Well, even if you can't see it, we're all flaking all the time. The idea is that it does it at a rate that you can't see it. It's too small. So one type of dandruff is when your scalp's very oily and the skin cells are coming off, but they're compounding and they don't start flaking off until it's a big piece that we can visibly see. So that is where you might be too oily, be using things that are too oily. The other situation is if you have like psoriasis or an eczema situation, sometimes that is triggered by something that you're putting on you or something that you're eating. So you'd have to get into that. Again, everybody knows my favorite is InnerSense. I've seen more people go from having dandruff to not having dandruff, to having what would look like a psoriasis or eczema, no longer having it because they're using something that is a lot cleaner, a lot more thoughtfully crafted to where nothing's getting overloaded and their scalp benefits from it.